Hi there, in this video we are going to see how many layouts are available in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation layout. So I have opened PowerPoint. To see layout you have to go to the slides. So in Office theme there are 9 different types of layouts in PowerPoint. First one is title slide. For now I have selected blank slide, so you can see here is a blank slide. I am going to delete this slide. You have to select the slide from the slide pane, then press delete button. You will see there is no layout selected for now. I am going to select title slide. You can see here is a title and you can add your subtitle here. And the second one is title and content. You can write here title and you can add your content here. And in content there are many types, you can see. So third one is section header. If you want to add a section in presentation, you can add your header as well as subtitle. To content, title with to content box, and comparison. Here you can see header and you can compare two things in front of each other, and here is a title only, and this one is blank one, content with caption and picture with caption. So you can see here are 9 different types of office layout in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If this video is helpful, then must like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.